Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Watermelon drawing. Today we draw a summer fruit, watermelon. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, again, we draw parallelly a curve. Inside it, next we draw watermelon seed. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a vibrant red flesh and a refreshing, sweet taste. They typically have a green rind and small, dark seeds. Red color. Watermelons are a great source of hydration and contain vitamins and antioxidants. They are often enjoyed during summer, especially on hot days. Watermelons can be eaten fresh, used in fruit salads, or even blended into juices. Watermelon is centuries-old fruit that is juicy and sweet, and many view it as a perfect treat to quench your thirst during summer heat. With a bright, red flesh and little seeds embedded throughout, watermelon is a packed trusted source. With a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that include vitamins A and C, now we enjoy it. Red color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Strawberry drawing. At first, we took a black marker. Next we start the drawing from leaves. Next we draw a curve. To draw the body part, here we draw a big curved line, like that. To draw the strawberry, here we added some black dotted. Strawberries are delicious, heart-shaped, red fruits that are a favorite for many, including kids. They are sweet and juicy and often eaten fresh or used in desserts. red color. Strawberries are also packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy treat. Strawberries are small, red fruits that grow on plants, close to the ground. They have a sweet and slightly tart taste. Strawberries are heart-shaped and have tiny seeds on the outside. These seeds are actually called achenes. A strawberry is not a berry, it's an aggregate fruit. This means it grows from one flower with multiple ovaries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which helps keep us healthy. They are also a good source of other vitamins and minerals. Kids love to eat strawberries fresh, dipped in chocolate, or in desserts. Strawberries can be used to make jam, juice, and even milkshakes. They are often used to decorate cakes and other treats. Strawberry plants grow in many parts of the world. They are typically harvested in the spring and summer. Strawberries are a member of the rose family. Some strawberries can grow quite large. Wild strawberries are smaller and have a more intense flavor. Strawberries can be a fun addition to a child's lunchbox. They are a healthy and tasty snack. Many kids enjoy picking strawberries at farms. Learning about strawberries can be fun and educational. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Next, we draw two parallelly straight lines. And join this too. We draw a flower pot. We draw two lines in the middle of the pot. Here, we draw another two curved lines. Next, we draw three small flowers to the top of the line. This is leaves. We draw two leaves from two sides. Now, our drawing is completed. This is the time to coloring. This is red color. We color the top of the pot with red color. This is blue color. We color the main part of the pot with blue color. This is green color. We color those three lines with green color. This is red color. We color the middle flower with yellow color. We paint the second one with pink color. And last flower, we color it with sky blue. Lastly, we color the leaves with green color. Green color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. Do you like burger? So let's draw a burger. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a circle, like this. Now we draw a semicircle under the big circle. Now, we draw some small curve, like that, under the semicircle. And lastly, we draw the last part of burger. Here, we draw some small circle on the top of the burger. It is a junk food, but very tasty food, which we all like. Now it's time to coloring. We use orange color on the top part of the burger. We color it very carefully. Orange color. In the lower part, we use deep green color to remark vegetables. Green color. In the lower part of vegetables, we use yellow color to remark the cheese, which highlight the burger. Yellow color. And the last part, we use orange color to highlight the bread. Orange color. Now our burger drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.